To maximize Junior's efficiency, it is best to clean out his dustbin, filters, and brushes once a week. To empty Junior's dustbin, press the button on the back of Junior and gently slide his dustbin out. Pull down the transparent door on Junior's bin and empty its contents. Junior's HEPA filter is located on the ceiling of the dustbin. To clean Junior's HEPA filter, pull the filter frame out and dust the 3 first layers using the cleaning tool included in Junior's box. When done, place the thinner electrostatic filter on top of the thick mesh filter and slide the filter frame back in its place in the dustbin ceiling. When done cleaning, replace the transparent door on the lower edge of the dustbin. Then, slide the whole dustbin back into Junior. To clean Junior's main brushes, flip Junior over onto a flat surface. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw on Junior's main brush. Then lift the main brush out of its compartment. Clean the main brush thoroughly from end to end using the cleaning tool included in Junior's box. You may use scissors to cut away hairs wrapped around the brush and a pair of tweezers to remove congestion from the brush cap. Make sure to thoroughly clean the inside of the brush compartment as well. When done, replace the brush cap on the pin end of the main brush. Insert the main brush's square end into the square indentation inside the brush compartment. Replace the screw securing the main brush. To clean Junior's side brush, use a screwdriver to remove the screw holding Junior's side brush in place. Remove any dust and hair from both Junior's side brush and the socket where it is held. When done, secure the side brush into place using a screwdriver.